Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. This week's idea is comparison posts. Comparison posts are blog posts that review two or more products simultaneously to help readers decide which product is most suitable for them. Comparison posts are also a great way to earn revenue through affiliate marketing. These posts demand more in-depth research and analysis for the products you're reviewing. It's equally important to keep track of all the products in your industry to understand which of them are currently in demand. For example, reviewing an iPhone versus a low-range Redmi phone doesn't make much sense. Neither would it attract a lot of traffic. On the other hand, comparing a high-range iPhone to a high-range Samsung phone would make more sense. Here are some other tips to follow while covering comparison posts. List out the specifications and features you'll be comparing in the article. Mention the similarities and USPs of the products. Give a verdict after comparing each feature. Use screenshots and graphics to support your points. Write a list of pros and cons for all the tools you're comparing. Create a comparison table to give a quick overview. Compare their pricing plans as well. Adding keywords like versus, comparison, etc., are necessary to build an organic search for posts. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.